Have you ever wondered what it would be like to eliminate every single mistake in your work? I mean, every single one. Today, we're going to dive into a pretty powerful management concept that aims for exactly that, zero defects. But let's start with a more human question. Is perfection even a worthwhile goal? For most of us, it sounds kind of stressful, right? Maybe even impossible. So what happens when you make that the official goal for an entire company? So what is the goal here, really? Well, it's pretty much the ultimate ambition of quality control. We're talking about a philosophy that doesn't just want to reduce errors, no. It wants to eliminate them completely. The whole goal is boiled down to a single, powerful, and totally uncompromising number. We're not talking about reducing defects to 1% or even 0.1%. The target is absolute. It's zero. So what does that actually mean in the real world? It's a commitment to preventing errors before they happen, not just catching them at the end of the line. Think about it. In your processes, your production, your maintenance, every single step is designed to get it right the first time, every time. Now, that sounds incredibly ambitious, doesn't it? So how on earth does an organization even begin to approach perfection? Well, it's not magic. It comes down to the engine that drives this whole philosophy, the process itself. So if zero is the destination, what's the path to get there? It's not about just, trying harder or wishing for better outcomes. There's a specific mechanism at play here. The key is a big shift in focus. You don't get to zero defects by catching mistakes at the finish line. You get there by fundamentally improving how the work is done from the very beginning. The gains come from making your processes more efficient.
But here's the thing. You can't improve processes in a vacuum. This entire philosophy rests on a critical foundation, the essential human building blocks of the organization.
See, this isn't just some top-down mandate. It needs 3 pillars to support it. First, you need a competent workforce. Second, that workforce needs sufficient, great training. And third, the organization has to commit the right resources to make it all happen. Without all 3, the goal of zero is just a nice idea. Which brings us to a really crucial question. Why would anyone get on board with such a demanding standard? What's the payoff for the employees and for the company? It actually creates this powerful win-win. For employees, it means tangible incentives and that deep satisfaction you get from mastering your work. And for the organization, the benefit is crystal clear, consistent, high-level performance. You see, each side directly fuels the other. So when you put all these pieces together, the clear goal, the efficient processes, a supported workforce, and those mutual benefits, what's the ultimate result? It's so much more than just a lack of errors. The ultimate result isn't just about the numbers. It's about creating a culture where people are enabled to do their best work consistently. It fosters an entire environment of excellence, where quality just becomes the default. And that leaves us with a final question to think about. Is the real goal to actually hit a perfect, flawless zero? Or is the true value found in the relentless pursuit of it, in the culture of excellence that it creates along the way? Something to chew on. Thanks for joining this explainer.